A shocking verdict has rocked France as the Paris court's decision to sentence former President Nicolas Sarkozy to prison has sent shockwaves through the nation. This historic ruling marks a significant moment in French politics, with Sarkozy becoming the first modern French president to face actual jail time. The court's decision to incarcerate the 70-year-old, despite his intention to appeal, has sparked controversy and left many questioning the implications. The case revolves around allegations of a criminal conspiracy to finance Sarkozy's 2007 campaign with funds from Libya. The court found him guilty of this scheme, which involved securing diplomatic favors in exchange for campaign funding. However, Sarkozy was cleared of other charges, including passive corruption and illegal campaign financing. Sarkozy, a prominent figure in French right-wing politics and entertainment, has strongly denounced the ruling. He maintains his innocence, stating, "I am innocent, this injustice is a scandal." With his wife Carla Bruni Sarkozy by his side, Sarkozy expressed his disbelief and frustration, emphasizing the impact of this decision on his legacy. The court described Sarkozy's behavior as exceptionally serious, stating that his actions could undermine public trust in institutions. The ruling highlighted that the goal of the criminal conspiracy was to provide an unfair advantage in the electoral campaign. But here's where it gets controversial. The court couldn't conclusively prove that Libyan money directly funded Sarkozy's campaign. Under French law, a corrupt scheme can still be considered a crime, even without concrete evidence of monetary transactions. Sarkozy's defense team argues that the allegations are politically motivated and based on forged evidence. They suggest that the accusations are a result of Sarkozy's call for the removal of Libyan dictator Moammar Gadhafi during the Arab Spring protests. The case has its roots in 2011, when a Libyan news agency and Gadhafi himself made claims about the secret funding of Sarkozy's campaign. In 2012, a French investigative outlet published a memo, allegedly from Libyan intelligence, referencing a funding agreement. Sarkozy denounced this document as a forgery, but the court's recent ruling casts doubt on its authenticity. Investigators also examined trips made by Sarkozy's associates to Libya during his time as interior minister. A Franco-Lebanese businessman, Ziad Taqiyuddin, initially claimed to have delivered suitcases of cash from Tripoli to the French Interior Ministry, but later retracted his statement. This reversal has led to a separate investigation into witness tampering, with Sarkozy and his wife facing preliminary charges for their alleged involvement. And this is the part most people miss. The court's lengthy verdict, read out by the chief judge, highlighted Sarkozy's role in allowing his associates to reach out to Libyan authorities for financial support. However, the court acknowledged the uncertainty surrounding the actual transfer of funds. Sarkozy's legal troubles are not limited to this case. He has faced multiple scandals, including a separate conviction for corruption and influence peddling, which resulted in him wearing an electronic monitoring bracelet for a year. He was later granted a conditional release due to his age. In another case, Sarkozy was convicted of illegal campaign financing for his 2012 re-election bid, accused of exceeding the legal spending limit. He has appealed this verdict, and the case is still pending. The impact of these cases on Sarkozy's legacy and his influence in French politics remains to be seen. As the legal battles continue, the public is left to ponder the implications of these verdicts and the future of Sarkozy's political career. What are your thoughts on this complex and controversial situation? Do you think the court's decision was justified, or is there more to the story? Feel free to share your opinions and engage in a discussion in the comments below.